Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your POLY Voyager 360. You have to start by open the application and after that click on these three dots. Go to the settings and click at the Equalizer line. Right here we have a chosen preset, so click on it also and choose custom one. And now we can make the best one. So let's say I wanna something like this one. And after you decide, click Save EQ. OK. And we have it. So now, if we return to the custom one, we can see that it didn't change. But if you don't like it, you can click on the Reset, and you have it by default, and you can now change it again. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!